inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today we're back inside our Web3Py favorites module. We're still in the transaction section of that module, so let's dive right in. Now, if we scroll down a little more, we will see the transaction object will look like this. Is our transaction object, from, to, value, gas, max fee per gas, max priority fee per gas, and the nonce. Now, this is a kind of a minimum example of a JSON or JavaScript object notation transaction. It has no real inputs or outputs, but it's a good starting point to understand how transactions work in Ethereum. Also, this is an unsigned transaction, which means that it has not been signed with the private key of the sender's account. This is important because the transaction must be signed before it can be sent to the Ethereum network. The signature is used to verify that the transaction was indeed sent by the owner of the account, and the transaction has not been tampered with. What we will do in this section is to create a transaction object that contains the information needed to deploy our favorites contract to the Ethereum network. We will then sign the transaction with the private key of the account that is deploying the contract and send the transaction to the Ethereum network. In this section, we will go over the process of crafting a manual created transaction, or TX. Note, transactions are often referred to as TX in the Ethereum community, so we will use that abbreviation in this section. Also note, this transaction will also go inside our favorites contract.py file. We're going to leave it there for now because I don't want to do too much reading without showing you examples, so we'll pick it back up tomorrow. And of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.